Hi traders, Anthony here. So we're just going to recap quickly the Aussie yen idea I sent to the group last night. You have to trade to a plan. You've got to have a strategy. If you have a look at what I posted into the Telegram group, was I pulled this fib and I had an arrow coming back down, something like that. And the note was possible opportunity, wait for the setup. If you've been following my videos and our strategy, here it is. Okay, break out of the cloud. We're interested in an opportunity from that point on, bullish. Let's just have a look at that now. We're trading both the 3 minute for entry, all right, and the 30 minute to manage the trade. Now I deliberately don't give you an exact entry. This was just wait for the setup. Now if you've been following my videos, here's the setup. Okay, you've heard me mention we're looking for the pullback, the retest. Okay, so we got that. There it is there. We're trading out of the cloud. All right, let's just bump up the cloud. And I mean, this is a really important video because what I'm wanting to cover in here is the importance of sticking to your plan. If you've got a trading strategy, you stick to the strategy. So there's our cloud. If you break the rules, you'll come unglued. Now you're very lucky because if you actually entered this trade yesterday, you've got an opportunity here to close in profit. Anyway, let's just go through the strategy and see how this shapes up. We've got the pullback with retest. Okay, there's a breakout of the cloud, right here. The retest of the range, there it is there. And we're always looking for what? The rotation. Look what we didn't get. Look what we didn't get. We're missing something. We're missing, let's have a look, this guy. Everything is in our favor except for the break. This is why we don't take the first break. This is why, like when we have this range break here, all right, the first break happened here. Where are we? Okay, there's where the signal fired here. Okay, the first break in this case was the break of this previous high, and we got that, but that's not where the signal fired. So you don't take that. This is where the signal fired. Then we get the retest of this, and that's a higher probability, and you're off to the races. This is why we have this breakout signal where it is. So if we come back over here, what are we on the 3 minute? It didn't happen. It didn't happen. We never got the breakout signal. And that this breakout signal would have been, all right, there's your first break, and it would have been a break and retest if it had continued on here. It would have been a break and retest of that. That's when our triangle would have kicked in. And then that's your trade there. We never got it. We never got the signal. So we don't take the trade. It's as simple as that. Now the other thing is, I mean, it's so important to, go back and have a look at your trades, winners and ones that don't work out. Anyway, we never took this trade. But the other thing with this is, see how it traded back into the cloud at that level, at this point here? This is our no-go zone. From this point onwards, that's a no-go zone. Stay out of it. Okay, so the setup never occurred. We only take the trade if the setup presents itself, and it didn't. I can tell you now that a lot of Fibonacci traders would have got caught out here. Anyway, they've got an opportunity now. This is trading back up to close at break even, or even in profit. It's so important to plan your trade and trade your plan. I've done video after video on the strategy. You've got access to the indicators, you have the strategy, and I didn't want to just post another dumb trade signal. I don't want my members to use what we've got, and I really want you to start thinking for yourselves. In that case, that's what I did yesterday. I'll open Telegram. Okay, that's what I posted. And the note, buy opportunity only if we see the retrace, retest and fail, wait for the setup. It's got to tick the boxes, and the main ingredient or the main checkbox wasn't ticked, and that's the green breakout triangle on the 3-minute chart. So back to the chart, guys. With that, I think I'll wrap up the video, and I'd like to invite you to join us. Click the link below, gain full access to the indicators, our Telegram group, our trading strategies. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and I hope you have a great day. See you in the next video.